King William came here in 1689.
Okay.
Came by boat from Holland,
Okay.
and he was here.
Bye.
All the very best. Guten Hagen. But I'm not very familiar with Carrick. It's very well established. Are you going
We
on?
found this place.
I'm from.
It is very magnificent
I'm
and
from-
historical.
I'm from Banbridge,
Okay.
so I don't really know much about Carrick Castle, but it's from the 1600s. So it's a very, very old castle. And are you going on the tour?
Yeah, yeah.
Where are you visiting from?
I am from Pakistan and I make beautiful videos regarding Northern Ireland.
Very good. Pakistan, lovely country.
Thank
And
you.
lovely food, lovely cuisine.
And lovely people.
That's brilliant. And
Thank you.
keep up the good work.
Thank
And
you.
I'm glad that you're having a good time. And he looks very serious. He needs to smile. He needs your lovely smile.
Thank you.
And all the very best, and keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Bye.